Hello guys, flash.fnx. Today we're going to discuss about the MOZART finance. It is a token on the Binance Smart Chain based on the musician Mozart. Moving on to the website right here. So the classiest DeFi project on Binance Smart Chain. So we can scroll down and see here on the farms and staking. I don't have any melody right now to stake or to hold in my wallet, but you can see here the stats. So here's the total supply. The market cap, the circulating supply, minted tokens, burned, and new blocks as well. So you guys can stake your melody with BUSD. So the APR is 3,500% on BNB as well, Ethereum, Cake, and many other tokens. We can take a look at the tokenomics. So the initial supply was 250,000 tokens. Total supply right now is 47,000 tokens. They have an airdrop for 150,000 tokens. The pre-sale is 50,000 token and liquidity tokens 50,000. And eventual extra tokens will be burned. They have their own exchange at exchange.mozartfinance.io. We can connect the wallet exactly like we did on Pancake swap and just exchange for whatever we want to. Right here, taking a look at the VSC scan, we can see that the token has 3,000 holders. As well as taking a look at the roadmap right here. So in May, list on CoinGecko. Yes, it was listed on CoinGecko as we can see right here. List on CMC, it has already been applied. List on Blockfolio as well applied. Hiring marketing PR agency, hiring big crypto influencers, MA events, list and promote everywhere, hack and audit. In June, list on just centralized exchange, mini games, another token, lottery burning mechanism. In July, NFTs, everything that has to do with NFTs. Quick disclaimer guys, this is not financial advice or anything else. Everything I say in this video has to be taken as education purposes only. Let me show you guys on how to buy Melody. So first you will need MetaMask or Trust Wallet with BNB. After you have those, go to their website, click on buy now. It will redirect you to the exchange, the Mozart exchange or Pancake swap. Put in whatever amount you want to exchange. So let's say I want to exchange 1 BNB. Make sure the slippage is on 1%. Click on swap, confirm the swap, and confirm. As I highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group with over 5,000 members, as well as following them on Twitter where they have 8,300 members. That's been it for today's video guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on notifications, and check out Melody or Mozart Finance. The links will be down into the description. Flash out.